Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dawn Does Life. Welcome if you've never been here before. Today I am unboxing my painting for the ChuckAlong5 event. And the one I got, I've got it backwards here, is called Sanctuary. So just to let you guys know, ChuckAlong5 is happening right now in the month of March. They do it twice a year. I believe the other time is in September. And it is being hosted by Mindy's Diamond Moment as well as Kiss My Crafts. So I will put a link to both of their channels in the description down below so that you can go and check them out. And if you want to get involved, you just join the Facebook group, and I believe that is Diamond Moments and Crafts on Facebook, but I will put a link to that as well down in the description below. So Chuck Pinson, oh, his paintings are so beautiful. I did the ChuckAlong4, that was the first one I did, and I did a Space for Reflection, and I absolutely love that painting. So I will show you the sticker. So it always comes with this little sticker. You can put it in your logbook. You can save it. I always just save mine. I don't have a logbook. But I am just going to put that away. Actually, no, I'll just keep that out. And this is the toolkit. I'll go over this really quick before we get into the painting just to show you what you get. So if you don't like to kit your paintings up, you get the baggies. You can work out of the baggies if you want. As well, you get 2 plates of heart-shaped wax, a little diamond tray, the pen, a squishy, and a 4-placer. So, not bad. Alright, let's get this open. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to do the unboxing. We're going to take a look at the painting and then and also the drills, and then I'm going to do the kit up of it all in one video, and the kit up will be in a time lapse. So which way does this go? I think this is the way it goes. I don't think I'm going to be able to get the whole thing in here as usual. There are the drills. I don't know where that extra little piece of plastic came from, but there is the bigger picture. Like, it's so pretty. The red trees and the nice little sort of stream or river, whatever you want to call it, creek, coming down towards you with the waterfall in the background. I just love it. He has such a good eye for colors. I think, in my opinion. You get your instruction booklet, and there is a code in here to get a discount off your next purchase. And then I'm just going to put these off to the side so that we can take a look at the pretty painting. Again, this is the Diamond Art Club canvas. It's very soft on the back side, and it is poured glue, and it will settle and lay flat on its own. Just check the glue. Very good glue. Their glue is like, I've said this before. I don't know if you can see how shiny that is. It's like a skating rink. It's so smooth. I just love it. I've seen other poured glue paintings that don't look that good. It doesn't look that nice. And any wrinkles that you do see is just the plastic. There's no rivers or anything like that in here. But this is the painting. So you have your legend on the bottom right-hand side, and then on the top left-hand side. So if you are one that your desk isn't big enough and you end up having to like fold it over something, you're going to have a legend on one side or the other. But this one is really hard to see. There's a couple of things that you can see, like I can kind of see where the waterfall is going to be. And then this tree is just huge. It takes up almost half the painting. And then, of course, some flowers in the stream. in the front here. It's just a beautiful painting. I can't wait to see what this one looks like. And of course, Diamond Art Club quality is always really good. And Chuck Pinson combined with Diamond Art Club is just always really good. So I'm going to bring this up so that you can look at the... Actually, you know what? Maybe I'll bring the camera down. Maybe that will work better. So that you guys can get a good look at the drill field. We'll see how close I can get. But as you can see, the symboling is always really, really clear on a Diamond Art Club painting. When I'm looking at the legend, and I'll just pull up this again really quickly, it has 4 ABs, 47 colors in total. Oh, and the other thing I always like to share, this one has 43,345 diamonds. It's a 27 by 20 or 69 centimeters by 51 centimeters. And this is, I'm going to raise this actually a bit. This is the coloring, or this is the legend right here. And it comes with pre-cut stickers. So if you are using some type of storage, you have the stickers, you don't have to make them. But those are, I'm just wanting it to focus here. The colors, I'm not seeing any that are going to be difficult to see. As always, they have like the arrow this way and then an arrow down. But for the most part, they actually look pretty good. So just giving you a quick scan of that. Nice. Okay, I'm going to put that back off to the side. But yeah, so this is the canvas itself. Let's just take a peek where some of these, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. Gonna lift you back up and see if I can show you some of the spots where the diamonds are, or where the ABs are gonna be. So I see, let's see if I can get this here. I see some, I saw some 1s there. I see some 2s in through here. More 2s in through here. What's number 3? Is it kind of a... So where would I see 3? Just trying to look here for you guys. Well, I see some 4s in through here and in through the waterfall. But where are the 3s? They're hiding. It's an orangey color. Wow, I cannot find it. So it's got there must not be a whole lot of it. Where is the 3? Come on. Oh, okay. Well, I see just a very few of them right in this. Oh, you can't see here. So a lot of them are down here. So like the 2s, we've got a couple 1s. But I see just a couple of the, I just found them, in through the edge of the water. Just a few of them in through here. A couple of them up in the flower here. And I don't see a lot else, like a lot more of them. So it looks like that one is going to be one that's just very moderately used. But again, one more time, let's just look at this canvas. Let's see if I can zoom out more so that you can see more of it. So beautiful, beautiful. Chuck Pinson, ugh, I'm looking forward to it. As always, I'm so happy that they do this Chuck Along. I had no idea how much I could like a scenery picture until I did the first Chuck Pinson, and he sold me for sure. So now I'm going to flip this over and we're just going to take a look at the drills. Sorry for the crinkling, you guys. Alright, I'm just going to start with this top one. So it starts off, got a bag of 814, 317. It's like almost a purple tinge to the gray. One bag of 310, 934, 498. Lots of red's going to be in this one. 935, there's some greens. 938, 3855, 937, 414, 3772, 3371. Oh, 2 bags of 3371, but they're really, like, they could have fit that in one bag. 3064, 3346, 915, 318, 415, 646, 3371. That's a pretty color. Oh, looks like there's a hitchhiker in there. Looks like a red one. So as usual, the drills look really nice. There is a little, I've seen a little bit of dust in it, but not much. I don't find there's a lot of junk with Diamond Art Club paintings. Let's start on this side. So we've got 815, 3854, 779, 321, 666 with another hitchhiker. Somebody wants to join the double party. 413, 645, 3347, and then the last row is 762, 890, 3861, 3340. That's a pretty color. 3799, 3776. There's our first ABBEY, the 141, which is like the white ABBEY. Bring that up and show you the sparkle. An ABBEY, just in case you don't know, it stands for Aurora Borealis, and it's just a coating that they put on their drills to make it extra sparkly. And then it also picks up the sparkle, or the drills around it pick up the sparkle as well. We've got 647, there's our second ABBEY, 103, and I think that's probably the one that I was having a hard time finding, I'm not sure. But that's kind of like an orangey reddish with a pretty coating on it. Right beside it is 100, that's a green with a red scraggler. A couple hitchhikers in this batch. But that's a green with a really pretty, it almost looks like a dusty mauve coating on it. That's going to be pretty. 606 is the next color, 3348, 754. Another hitchhiker. My goodness, these guys are not behaving. 917 with another hitchhiker. Oh, and then there's an orange ABBEY in with these 436s. Boy, these guys just didn't know where they belonged, hey? 133, and that's another orange one with a ABBEY coating on it. And then 3824, 3828, 951 with a purple hitchhiker, and 340. So, not huge packs. There's not any packs that are really, really huge, or double of any kind. Or there was that one, but it was like 2 smaller packs, so it's going to be like 1 thicker pack, I guess. But going to be nice colors. I love the pops of colors. But not, yeah, the lots of just small amounts. So this one is going to be using a lot of my smaller containers to kit up. But so that is the drills. Now, I am just going to move this off to the side, and we'll flip it over and take one more look at this. So as usual, top of the canvas is Do It Makes You Sparkle by Diamond Art Club. And then bottom of the canvas, on the bottom left-hand corner, you have your small thumbnail and then the information about the painting, which I really do appreciate. They put the artist's name, the dimensions, they're right on there. Then we've got their social media links. You can find them on Facebook and Instagram, as well as a code for a discount on your canvas, and then the lifetime guarantee that comes with the canvas. Beautiful painting, really looking forward to doing it, like I said. And now I'm going to go ahead and get set up to kit this up so that I can get started on this right away. I'm going to put this off to the side, and this next portion is just going to be a time lapse. Let's just get into the second half of the video where we kit this up.
I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. I can't take this anymore. You say we're done, but you still want more. Baby, what I need is you out the door. This time I'm sure, yeah, that you're a bad boy, up to no good. Trying to be a man, but you're stuck in boyhood. Baby, you won't ever treat me the way you should, so it's over for good. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah, I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. What do you expect me to when I'm over you? Can't you tell by the look on my face that I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you? It's been chaos from the start. Can't believe I made it this far. Guess I needed it to see who you really are. Breaker of hearts, yeah. You made your bed, now lie in it, baby. Rest your head, let it dream about me. Cause I'm fed up with you crazy. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah, I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. What do you expect me to when I'm over you? Can't you tell by the look on my face that I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you? I will never smile for you. I will never smile for you. You made your bed, now lie in it, baby. Rest your head, let it dream about me. Cause I'm fed up with you crazy. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah, I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. What do you expect me to when I'm over you? Can't you tell by the look on my face that I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you? Yeah, I will never smile for you. Yeah, I will never smile for you. I will never smile for you.
And here you go, through the magic of time-lapse. I am all set up for ChuckAlong5, so I can now take my start picture. Yay. I thought it was going to be another couple of days before I could get ready for this, but I'm going out to drive for Skip tonight, and I wanted to get this done before I went. So let's just get that in there. Got my everything standing up, and I am ready to go. And there you have it, Chuck Pinson, ChuckAlong5. Please don't forget to go check out Mindy's Diamond Moment or Kiss My Crafts. Again, I will link them in the description below. If you guys are doing Chuck-Along, it's your turn. Tell me, which one are you doing? I'm doing Sanctuary. And also go check out the Facebook group. I'll have all the links for ChuckAlong5 down below if I can find them. Other than that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you like the video. And I will catch you guys all in the next video. Stay safe, have fun. Bye.